Hello from beautiful Paphos. Today is July 23rd, 2022. The temperature right now, it shows on the car 32 degrees. We drive this way from some of the Paphos Seafront hotels to the Paphos Harbour and then to the top of the King's Road. Time now it's 6:07. Some people asked on the YouTube for the masks. What they said, the mask you have to wear them in indoor closed spaces. Yesterday I was in the mall, shopping mall, Kicks Avenue Mall, and actually what I saw is like half of the people wear masks, half of the people didn't wear masks. So I guess it's still, you know, I don't know what to say. Of course, people who they don't believe it, people who believe it. But I believe as long as there is a tourist around, they are not gonna force everybody to put the masks. This is how Cyprus law works, I guess. Anyways, even one of the first countries where they push the wearing mask back so early. At this time of the year, it's still so hot. Enough of this nonsense. It's just a short update. Okay, the road here, it's closed. It's a weekend. After the evening time, they close the roads for the cars, only for pedestrians. Let's take a different route than last time. It's a Grazia restaurant. On the right, it's a bar street now. Here on the right, it's bar street. It's a new hotel, a small hotel, Sofiana. More church here on the right. And on the left, we're gonna see a very old church here on the left now. Here on the left, it's also part of the Paphos archaeological site. Because it was an old ancient theater. With this shortcut, we are here now. Why is the Kicks Avenue Mall? And this towards the King's Road. Someone decided to park in the middle of the road. Sushi house over here, the takeaway, some rentals, Fat Mamas. There's a tavern here, cuisine, farmhouse, and here's Martelli and Duomo, Italian restaurant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.